are you from?
I'm from Garibijo. And you?
I'm from Hollywood.
What's your dream?
My name is teacher. And you?
I'm teacher too. Where did you graduate?
Oh, I graduated from SMA Negeri Kalimantan. And you?
I'm graduate from Islamic Boarding School of Al-Musin in Colombo. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is dim sum and light. Because this is so very, very delicious. And you?
I'm from Satay. Because satay is very delicious.
What is your favorite drink?
Favorite drink is chocolate. You?
Favorite drink is matcha latte. You know?
You know, no. And favorite movie?
I like Chinese drama.
Oh, me too. What's your favorite idol?
I'm so favorite idol is Chapter and you?
My favorite idol me, Jennifer Aniston.
Okay, thank you.